Step one, join InterNACHI and take full advantage of the resources and pay attention to your time and getting a huge return on your investment. Step two is you got to get trained and you got to get experience. Step one, you join InterNACHI, you get ready to take full advantage. Step two, you gotta have to train yourself as a home inspector, and you have to get experience. You have to get experience before you do your first inspection. So to get trained as a home inspector, you have to take accredited training courses for home inspectors. And there's only one home inspector college accredited by a national accrediting agency of the U.S. Department of Education, and that's InterNACHI.edu, InterNACHI.edu. And the tuition at InterNACHI school is free for InterNACHI members. If you're thinking about getting trained at a school that has a .com at the end, be careful. Unaccredited schools, including the ones that call themselves universities, are not regulated, and they have no legal responsibility to provide training that actually works for you. Remember, you want a huge return on your investment, and your education is critical, so choose the best school. I recommend taking all of your training courses to get trained online. Why? Because taking live classes is a huge investment. Going to a live in-person class will cost you a lot of time and money. And remember, you have to be careful with your time and money, right? It's that fraction. It's the denominator. You want to squeeze your time and money and make a lot. You want to squeeze your time and investment and increase your gross revenue. So you're making a lot of money in a little bit of time, or you're getting a huge return on investment for your initial investment. Choosing online and accredited courses is this best step. If you have to absolutely take a live class, in-person class, and do hands-on training, stop and take a class at one of InterNACHI's House of Horrors. We got one in Colorado, in Florida, and in Pennsylvania. Each InterNACHI House of Horrors is an entire house with 1,000 defects built under our roof. And all the teachers are home inspectors, current home inspectors. All the teachers are certified mentors. Your teachers are certified professional inspectors, CPIs, and certified master inspectors, CMIs. You can also email the education team. Remember the contact page we went over? To find a class provided by one of our InterNACHI training school partners. We have them all over the world. And that's at education@internachi.org. Email education@internachi.org. We have certified training school partners and instructors all over the world if you want to take a live class.